Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is confirmed. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is around the corner, and we even get a confirmed USA certification for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And it is now confirmed that the what processor we are going to get in the Z Fold 4. And yes, Z Fold 4 will get the best telephoto lens than the S92 Ultra and any other Galaxy device. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5. And according to latest reports and rumors, we may see the Unpack event on the 10th of August. And you can expect the pre-orders from 16th of August, but these dates are not confirmed. This year we are not going to see any Note device, so something to have a high expectation from its foldable lineup this year. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 appears on FCC certification and gets an approval for the USA. The model number SMF936U appeared with the Qualcomm Gen 2 Smart Transmit technology, which means you're going to get the Qualcomm standard Agent 1 Plus processor. And it was expected since foldable phones from Samsung always gets in the Qualcomm processor. The FCC certification reveals that the Z Fold 4 will come with the usual connectivity features from 2G to 5G, and will come with the 25 fast charging and 15 watt of wireless charging, and there is no built-in S Pen slot. The FCC didn't reveal the release date, but it is expected on 10th of August. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with 3 lenses on the back, 50-megapixel mirrorless, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 12-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, best so far in any Galaxy device, 10-megapixel selfie camera, and 4-megapixel under-display camera. The main lens is capable of recording up to 8K, and will come with 1 TB version. But the 1 TB version will be limited to selected markets. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold may forthcome with a special color, which is dark red, but it will be limited. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases are also out. And you can expect the same design just like the Z Fold 3 and just a bit of wider aspect ratio on both inner and outer displays. The Z Fold 4 will have a same battery for 1400 million power. But due to its new processor with 30 more power efficient, you can get a better battery backup than the Z Fold 3. And Samsung is also making Z Fold 4 for the lightest foldable phone in the market, weight around iPhone 13 Pro Max with the case. Are you guys happy with the external S Pen, and are you guys interested in buying a case for Z Fold 4? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video, peace out.